Thinking about buying a brand new home? Today's video will break down the real pros and cons of buying a new construction home, what you will love, what might surprise you, and what to watch out for so you can make the best choice for your lifestyle and budget. Whether you're a first-time home buyer or simply curious about new builds, this video will help you make an informed decision with confidence. First, let's talk about the pros of a new construction home. One of the biggest perks of buying new is the modern design. Open concept layouts, big kitchens, smart home technology, these homes are built for the way we live today. And the best part, you can often choose your finishes. Quartz countertops, dark hardwood floors, a backsplash that screams you, it's yours. That level of customization is tough to get in a resale home. Everything from the roof and systems to the appliances is brand new. That means you won't be spending your weekends fixing leaks or worrying about outdated wiring. For at least the first several years, your maintenance costs are next to nothing. That peace of mind is a huge plus, especially for first-time buyers. Most builders include warranties on everything from the foundation to the finishes. You will usually get a 1-year workmanship warranty, 2 years on systems like plumbing and electrical, and up to 10 years on the structure. If anything goes wrong during this time, you are covered. New construction homes are way more energy efficient than older homes. Think double pane windows, tighter insulation, Energy Star appliances, and modern HVAC systems. That means lower monthly utility bills and a smaller carbon footprint. It's good for your wallet and the planet. Many new developments come with amazing community features. Things like pools, fitness centers, walking trails, even dog parks. It's not just a home you're buying, it's a lifestyle. These perks can really elevate your daily living experience. New homes meet the latest building codes, so they tend to be safer and more resilient. That includes better fire safety, improved electrical standards, and structural requirements that protect you from things like wind damage or earthquakes. It's like getting peace of mind built in. Now let's go over the cons of buying a new construction home. First up, price. New construction homes are usually more expensive than resale homes. Builders charge a premium for being the first owner, the upgraded materials, and all the modern features. And once you start picking upgrades, like a gourmet kitchen or luxury flooring, it adds up fast. Builders typically have less wiggle room when it comes to price. Unlike a traditional seller, they are running a business model. That means you're less likely to negotiate them down, especially in a hot market. Sometimes you can get perks like help with closing costs or free upgrades, but it depends on the builder and the timing. If you're on a tight timeline, a new build might not be the best fit. Weather, supply chain issues, labor shortages, they can all cause delays. Even if the builder gives you a completion date, there is no 100% guarantee it will be ready on time. New neighborhoods can feel, unfinished. You might be moving in before the landscaping is mature. Think tiny trees and patchy grass. Depending on the phase you're in, you could be living next to active construction for months. Noise, dust, trucks, it's something to keep in mind. Many new developments are being built outside of downtown or major city hubs because that's where the land is. That often means longer commutes, fewer restaurants or shops nearby, and less access to established schools or healthcare. So make sure the location fits your lifestyle. Let's be real, some new construction homes can feel a bit cookie cutter. If you're someone who loves older homes with charm, unique architecture, or established neighborhoods, new builds might feel a little bit bland by comparison. It really depends on your taste. None of these cons are deal breakers, they just mean you should go into the process informed. That's where having a great realtor can really help. Someone to guide you through the process, watch your back with the contract, and make sure you're asking the right questions. So there you have it, the pros and cons of buying a new construction home. Like anything in real estate, it all comes down to your goals, your budget, and your timeline. If you're thinking about buying a new build or just want help figuring out what's right for you in Virginia Beach or nearby cities, call or text me for a consultation. Subscribe to my channel for more real estate tips and insights. Thanks for watching.